In this video, we are doing an unboxing and flip through of the Bookkeeping Planner. Hello, I'm Katie, and welcome to the Planner channel. Subscribe to watch new planning videos every week. First off, we're going to do an unboxing of the Bookkeeping Planner, then we're going to flip through and talk about it, then we're going to head over to the website and learn a little bit more about the company.
All right, let's open it up. Oh my gosh, that's like snake skin. Okay, the Bookkeeping Planner by the Bookkeeping Lounge. Well, the box gets a 10. That's really cool. Okay. Ooh. Pretty. Very pretty. Really cool box. All right, let me zoom out a little bit so you can see the full picture. Look at this. Thou shalt track the revenue and expenses. The Bookkeeping Planner. I love that picture. That is cool. So this looks like, let me grab, I want to see what the paper size is. All right, here's a regular sheet of paper. So it's actually slightly bigger. It's a little bigger than a regular sheet of paper. So you'll have tons of space for tracking whatever you need to track. Let me move this box. All right, there. These are all kinds of financial quotes. Yeah. Business notes, business overview, business name. Oh, ideas. Core concept. So this is like not just bookkeeping, but kind of business planning as well. Core concept and client. Product and service research. Value proposition, where and how to sell, competitor research, what is required, to-do list, business notes, business contacts, startup checklist, startup expenses. So I'm getting the point now without doing the research yet, which we will do in a little bit. We'll head to the website and check out all the details, but I like to get that first glance look. This is not only just your bookkeeping to get your business started, but everything else that you need to get your business started. So I love that. Products and services offered, pricing, estimates of revenue, marketing plan, business tips, yearly business planner, tax obligation tracker. Month 1. So let's look at this. It's a 6-month planner. What is bookkeeping? An activity a business owner should be doing when he or she starts making money in their business. That. Business affirmations, notes, monthly business planner, business priority, monthly financial checklist, revenue estimates, journal entries, okay, business notes, accounts payable. So these are the expenses that you owe. Accounts payable here, accounts receivable. I said that right? Yeah, payables, receivables. So this is invoices owed to you. So money you need to collect. Those are your receivables. Cash book, inventory tracker, and expense report. Ooh, here's your categories down here. Mileage tracker for travel, business travel, notes, filing tracker, financial report, bank reconciliation. So this is our end of month, right? Beginning balance. There should be an ending balance. Closing balance, balance sheet. These are your financial statements. Balance sheet is your assets and liabilities and equity. Profit and loss statement are your income and expenses. It's just business. All right, so we went through a whole month. Month 2, same. Those are all the things you need to track, the basics for your business. Numbers don't lie. About using LLCs or having an LLC, it's just business. Month 6, I want to see how they wrap it up. Okay, so it's the same end of month for month 6. And then here's all their social where you can get more information. So it's a little larger than a sheet of paper. It is on a twin loop binding with a hard front and back cover. Lots of space for writing, and it's on bright white paper. Plenty of room for brainstorming, planning your business in the front, and lots of space to track what you need to track to get your small business started. Let's head over to the website and learn a little bit more.
Here's the question I want you to answer in the comments. Do you have a small business, and how are you doing your bookkeeping? Do you need a planner like the Bookkeeping Planner to help you stay on track with your bookkeeping? Leave your answer in the comments.
And here we are, entrepreneurs handling the basic bookkeeping for your business. Doesn't have to be hard. We've created a usable bookkeeping system within our planner to help you track the dollars and the cents. Let's learn more. You have to track it to stack it. All right, let's click Learn More. All right, here is the Bookkeeping Planner. It is $69 for your 6-month planner. Let me see if this can scroll down. Scroll a little further down, and then we get all of these details. What's inside? 6 months of bookkeeping, a biannual planner. Start any time since it's by month 1 and not January. So you can start anytime. It has all of these things that we just flipped through. And here are the specs I wanted to get down to. Planner size is 8.2 by 11.2 inches. So like I said, a little bigger than a standard size piece of paper. It's a hardcover with gold coil binding. Each planner has 240 pages of 100 GMS uncoated paper. And here are all the pictures, but again, we just flipped through. Let's head over and learn a little bit about the company now. One of our favorite things about this planner is its ability to take accounting software and spreadsheets and break it down into a basic roadmap of repetitive record-keeping tasks, from quarterly tax tracking to keeping an accurate inventory count to reconcile your business checking account. The Bookkeeping Planner has you covered. So if you're just getting started in business and you're not sure where to start as far as accounting goes, you haven't purchased software yet, but you need to get started, this is a great place to start. And then you can track for a little while or as long as you need to on your own, and then pass off what you've tracked onto your CPA or accountant.
As always, check out the description box to learn all about the products shown in this video, and there will be a coupon code for 15% off your order. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!